Alright, so this one has me confused. This is a 99 Toyota 4runner, 4-cylinder. It's got like 176 miles. It does have check engine light for a PO402, I think, if I recall correctly. It has rough idle, and when I make abrupt stops, it is a manual, so when I make abrupt stops, the RPM drops and I will normally stall. But here's a new one. So here I'm gonna press the window up buttons. My windows are up, mind you. So no gas, foot off the clutch, I'm in neutral, and listen what it does when I try to roll the windows up even after the windows are up. So I'll try to get both of these in the frame here. So watch RPM and watch my fingers. Up. Do you hear that? Like my engine wants to stall when I try to roll up my windows. There we go, we'll do it again. I bet you if I kept it going, my engine will stall. So here, I'll try it again. The rear windows going up. Oh, seems only momentarily. So maybe it won't stall. Sure wants to though. What happens? Like turn on the air. Okay, turn on the air, RPM jumps. Try the windows again. What the hell?